a short guided visualization to find out the wisdom in your fear. It's a powerful process to feel the fear and let it pass. The grip of fear creates a low mood, anxiety, worries about the future, and a sense that we're failing somehow. The biggest gift we have is to sit with the fear. Don't label it or judge it as good or bad. Find the wisdom in it and then let it pass. So I invite you now to close your eyes. Focus your awareness on your breath. Allow your shoulders, your neck, your jaw to soften as you breathe into your body. And notice where the fear lives inside of your body. Is it in your chest, your throat, your stomach? Just notice. And what does it feel like? Is it tight, hot, restrictive? Just notice. As you sit with your fear, what feels most vulnerable here? If the fear was trying to protect you from something, what is it? Breathe into your fear and surround it with compassion. You don't need to push it away. I invite you to be with it and find its wisdom. And if this fear carried some wisdom for you, what is that wisdom? And now thank the fear for its wisdom, knowing that your fear can also be here to support and guide you in some way. Maybe it has a message it wants you to hear. And when we give these different parts of us the space, we start to see they are all here to serve us. Allow the voice of your wisdom to lead you today. Thank you for listening.